Now take a look at my skin. I tend not to have much of a hyperpigmentation on my skin. However, I don't have much because I normally just zap it in the butt as soon as it appears. Now, some of you struggle with hyperpigmentation, whether it is from acne scars, whether it is from blackheads and whitehead, whether it is from a pimple that you squeeze and leave a mark in, and you have some form. Now, some people tend to have it on their face, some people have it on the neck and décolleté. Basically, some people have hyperpigmentation all over the skin, but the ones that you're worried more about is the one on your face. It can cause your face to look a little rough. It can also cause you to be a little bit embarrassed depending on the amount of hyperpigmentation. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to show you a quick and easy solution to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now, this is not no magic, guys. This is natural ingredient, so you might need to use it for a while, but with regular use you will see some form of a result. So if you're looking for smooth skin, if you're looking for clear skin, if you're looking to also brighten the skin, this video is for you. So continue watching. Please watch the video to the end, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's as easy as that. You are subscribed. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So today we're going to be using potato, and here I have Irish potato, known to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, known to lighten and brighten the skin, known to tighten and firm the skin. Also, this is known to get rid of dark under eye circle. Very versatile ingredient that anyone can use on the skin, and best of all, it is good for all skin type, even if you have a sensitive skin. So the first thing you need to do is to prep the potato. Today I'm using this type. However, you can also choose to use the red skin potato. However, do not use sweet potato for this recipe. Now let's peel the potato, since all we need from the potato is the juice. Now if you do not have a blender for this recipe, go ahead and use a grater and then you squeeze the juice out. I have a blender, so I'm gonna be blending my potato. So once the potato is peeled like I'm doing here, and it's pretty easy to peel, you just use a knife and peel it like I am showing. Now once it is done, take a look. A small, medium potato. At this stage you can choose to grate it, or you can go ahead and you can chop if you are blending. So I have a small blender, so I'm gonna chop it in small pieces for easier blending. Potato is a natural skin firming ingredient. You can choose to use it to tighten and firm the skin. Mix it with milk, mix it with aloe vera, mix it with any oil that you have and use it on the skin. Just use the starch of it. I have a video showing you how to extract the starch. Now let me place the potato in the blender, and what I'm going to be doing, I am going to be blending, but I'm going to add another ingredient to this to blend together. Now here I have milk, and milk contains lactic acid. So when you have like dead skin cells on your face, when your skin is looking a little dull, when you have blackheads, when you have whiteheads, when you have just rough looking skin, you can choose to wash your face with milk, or you can choose to just mix it the way I'm mixing it here with our fresh potato. Now potato have an ingredient known as catecholase, which help to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin, and when mixed with the lactic acid, it creates a powerful remedy for dark spots. I'm going to add some oil to this for it to glide on the skin, and not only that, I'm using some aloe vera oil, which help to lighten and brighten the skin. I'm also using some olive oil, a very thick, very rich oil that is rich in vitamins that are essential for clear, beautiful looking skin. Now once this is done, I'm going to be shaking it up, since I'm going to be blending, and you can use any two of your favorite oil or any one of your favorite oil. If you're vegan, go ahead and use some soy milk or some almond milk instead of the regular milk. Now we're blending, and we are blending well. Now after blending, we're going to be straining, since all we need is the juice from the potato. Now I was telling you to extract starch. If you were trying to extract the potato starch, this is what you would also do. You would blend it, strain it, set it aside, and then you pour the top off. Today we're using
everything. We're using the juice, we're using the starch. So all we're doing is just straining, and the trash that is going to be left over after we strain, as you can see here, go ahead, add some brown sugar to it, use it to exfoliate the skin. This is also going to clear blackheads and whitehead and dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, so nothing goes to waste. You can also mix that with tomato for an even stronger remedy for hyperpigmentation. Now take a look, guys. Here we have the potato and milk mixture, and we're giving this a stir. And what we're gonna do, we are gonna add one final ingredient to this. It's optional. You can choose to add it, you can choose to leave it out. And this is gonna be some aloe vera gel, and here I have some fresh aloe vera gel, and I'm pouring this in. And what you are gonna do next, you are gonna blend. Now aloe vera also have to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, have to smooth the skin. So all the ingredients that we're using in this are known to clear the skin, and when you combine them together, it makes a more stronger, a more powerful remedy for hyperpigmentation. Now this is also good to use on your neck. If you have dark neck, you can also use this under your eyes, believe it or not, to help with dark under eye circles. So we're gonna store this in a small container. So let's go ahead and pour. You can use this to spot treat the area. You can use it all over your face. You can use it on the neck, the décolleté, just anywhere. You can even use it on your hands. Anywhere that you're looking to lighten, brighten, clear hyperpigmentation for smooth, clear, radiant, glowing skin. Store this one in the refrigerator. Use it up within 7 days, and it might get a little dark. Not to worry, it is very much good to use on the skin. A simple, easy remedy that anyone can whip up in their kitchen.
And there you have it. It is simple, it is easy as that. You need to, however, use this on a regular. You can choose to use a cotton pad, you can wipe the affected area, or you can choose it to wash all over your face, or you can choose to use a little at night and just apply it all over the skin anywhere that you have hyperpigmentation. Now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what other ingredient would you add to this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. I'll leave 2 more videos here for you to watch. Just click on any one and watch another video.